Good morning, students. Now, today we are going to start the new chapter 14, some natural phenomena. Before you start this chapter, first you know about electric charge. All of you know the matter consists of atoms. An atom consists of three fundamental particles: positively charged particles, proton; negatively charged particles, electrons; and the neutral particle which has neither positive charge and negative charge is called neutrons. So there are three fundamental particles in the atom. That is, atom consists of three fundamental particles. At the center of the atom, protons and neutrons are situated. And the central part of the atom is called nucleus. And electrons revolves around the nucleus. In the nucleus, proton is positively charged particle, neutron is neutral, and electrons revolve negatively charged particle, electrons revolves around the nucleus in the fixed orbit. And there is an electrostatic force acts between positively charged particle, proton, and negatively charged particle, electron. All the atoms are said to be electrically neutral in nature. Why? Because numbers of negatively charged particle electrons are equal to numbers of positively charged particle protons. So what is, first we define what is electric charge. And intrinsic property of the elementary particles of the matter which gives rise to electric force between them is called electric charge. What is electric charge? An intrinsic property of the elementary particles of the matter which gives rise to electric force. That is, electric force acts between electrons and protons, between them is called electric charge. Now, electric charge is of two types. Two types: positive charge and negative charge. Positively charged particles are known as proton, and negatively charged particles are known as electron. Now, Proton and electron both has same magnitude of charge. Proton has plus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. What is coulomb? Electric charge is measured in coulomb. That is, SI unit of electric charge is coulomb. So proton has plus 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 coulomb charge, and electron has, because it is negatively charged particle, minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. What is coulomb? It is SI unit of charge or electric charge is coulomb, and it is denoted by C. So proton has plus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb charge, and electron has minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb charge. Now, if a body has excess of positive charge, if a body or an object has excess of positive charge, or deficit of negative charge. If a body has excess of positive charge, it is said to be positively charged. Positively charged body. If an object has excess of positive charge or deficit of negative charge, it is said to be positively charged body. Now, if a body, if an object has excess of negative charge, then it is said to be negatively charged object. So if an object has excess of negative charge, that is excess of electrons, then it is said to be negatively charged. And if a body has excess of positive charge or deficit of negative charge, that is electrons, it is said to be positively charged body. Thank you.